I need some on my lips. Hold on, real quick. Damn. I don't feel like getting up, though. Damn, hold on. Let me at least get some Vaseline or something. I gotta hurry up because I think I only got like 20%. But, like, it's been so long since I did a YouTube video. Like, I miss it. I really do. It's a little bit hectic at the moment. So, it's like I don't have that much lighting, so I have to plan it one time. Like, the sun has to be hitting me at the exact moment. But it's like I don't have time to actually film. When I do have time, I have Isaiah, and it's like when I'm filming, he's right by me, like wanting attention at all times. Like, he's a baby, like you have to give him attention. Like, that's it. Like, he's super spoiled. But so I do plan on making more videos. Like, I really want to start making more videos for my YouTube channel, but it's just like I gotta kind of find a balance, and I haven't found that yet. So it's like it's a little difficult at the moment, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to try to prioritize it a little bit more than I have. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about, as you can see, some things are a little different. I actually cut my hair. Yes, I finally went natural. It's been a long time coming because I really wanted to cut it, but it was like I never thought I would cut my hair this short. I'm like, that's just not my look. Like, I don't think an afro would look good on me. But it's like, why would I keep up with damaged hair when it's not going to do me any good anyway? I might as well just cut off all of the natural and then just grow it out. I mean, cut out all the perm and grow it out natural. Like, that way it'll grow a little bit faster and better and healthier, and it'll be easier for me to manage instead of managing two types of hair. I was tired of putting in perms in my hair. Like, yeah, it was cute. My edges was laid, but it's like, it's not me. And it was damaging my hair. Like, it was so flat that I couldn't even wear it straight anymore. It was just like, I'm gonna grow my hair out. I'm gonna cut this shit. It was literally like, I looked in the mirror. I've been planning it. It's been in my hair for a while. I was like, I know I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm tired of this. I looked in the mirror one day after I got done washing my hair, and I was like, I'm tired. This looks a fucking mess. I got some scissors and I cut it. And that was it. So I'm glad I cut it off. But it was the responses I got were like interesting. The responses I got were very different. I thought that, you know, the natural girls, of course, you know, when you were part of like the natural crew, you like, it's like a unspoken gang, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a group. And like, they embrace me or whatever. Like, yes, you went natural, bitch. Yes. It's definitely been a change. Like, and you know, some people were like, yes, but other people was just like, why'd you do that? And like, don't cut your hair. First of all, why do people feel like, I felt like I actually committed a sin. Like, the way that people were like asking me like, why did you cut your hair? Because I wanted to. What's the point? What's the problem? Hold on, my chains ain't showing. But okay. Anyway, but no, it was like, that's how I took it, as when they would be like, why'd you cut your hair? It was like, ew, why'd you cut your hair? That's how I saw it. And I'm not even sensitive, but it's just like, when you don't have anything nice to say, I don't think you should say it at all. That's just me. Like, if I feel like something don't look right, I'm not gonna, unless you ask. Listen for everybody out there. I feel like this lesson is not taught at an appropriate age, because honestly, everybody does it. When you have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. If your opinion is required, you say what you feel. If your opinion is not asked for, don't give it. Do you need me to repeat it? Do you need me to repeat it? Don't bring anybody else down because you feel a certain way. Like, who are you? Really? So I just feel like you have to be a little bit more mindful when you talk to people, when you believe strongly about something, but you gotta hold that back if it's not required. If it's not asked for, don't do it. Don't tell me how you feel, because I don't care. And it's rude. Like, where did it go so wrong where it feels like wearing your natural hair is ugly? It's not cool. Like, that blows my mind. And that's the way I used to be. That's why it's like I don't take offense to it. Because I would be like, I would never do the big chop. Like, they're crazy. But it's just like, at a certain point, my eyes kind of like opened up. Like, damn. It teaches you a lot about self-worth. It makes you love yourself and not your hair. Like, the media has trained us to believe that slicked edges and straight hair is right, is cute, is hot. And that's not the only look. You see what I'm saying? Like, wearing your natural hair is not a bad thing. And I think that they kind of programmed our mind to believe that natural hair is nappy, is unprofessional, is untamed, and it's just dry and nasty. Like, and that's the total opposite of what our hair is. Our hair is strong. Our hair is curly, actually. I have coils. I didn't even know. I used to call hair nappy for the longest, and it's not even nappy. Like, my sister used to get so mad when I say your nappy ass. Like, her hair was not nappy. It was actually curly, but because it's coiled, it looks nappy, but it's really small curls. And it was just like, dang, our hair is really curly. And I didn't know that. I just thought of it as nappy because that's how we grew up. That's how we're taught to believe that black hair is nappy, and it's not. Like, while I was going through this process, I'm like, wow, like, my eyes is really opening up. And I just feel sorry for the people who feel like it's not cool or shamed or frowned upon that you can wear your natural hair. But yeah, if anybody's ever thinking about going natural, just do it. Like, just go after it. Like, don't think too much about it. Like, I don't know what you're exactly scared of. Are you scared of people not being receptive to the way you look? Or I don't know what the problem is, but just go for it. Like, you should never be scared or feel like you're ugly with your hair. I'm okay and comfortable with being out, you know, with my natural hair, but I just want to, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't fit me. I think people have different looks, and I think some people look great with short hair and some people just don't. And so I don't know. So I think I'm just going to do like braids, protective styles, like dreads. I think it's long enough to do it. I think I got a little length on me. So let me know what you think about what I'm saying, like with the whole natural hair and everything. Let me know if you're scared, like your first thoughts about cutting all your hair off or doing a big chop, or let me know if you did it already or experienced. Just let me know. I'm really curious. I want to know what everybody else's journey is like and what kind of products you use. Like, I've still been experimenting with like ego styling gel and like coiling my hair. So I'm just interested to see what everybody else is doing. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel like now, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.